Alright, the weather's looking good. Time to go to the gym, so gotta take the XR6. Hopefully it won't rain. I gave it a really good wash a few weeks ago, and because it's been raining so much, I haven't wanted to drive it. But in saying that, it's just got all dusty anyway, so that's a bad thing about washing your car sometimes. You don't really want to drive it when it's raining. Oh well, weather's getting better, almost summer. So for those wondering, it's done 306,152 K, so it's been driven over the years, not so much probably. I've driven a lot the first 10 years of its life. I actually bought it when it was only, what, 7 years old, and it had done 128,000 Ks, so, and then I put probably, 4 years of uni, I put probably another nearly 100,000 Ks on it, and then since then, the last, yeah, quite a few years, it hasn't done that many, but anyway. Exhaust sounds pretty good, even just dropping back in the third at 80 k's an hour. Just, I don't know if it comes up on camera, but it just sounds good. Just at that rev range. So people drive their Falcons on eco or non-eco, which I guess power mode. Definitely jumps back a lot quicker and easier, yeah, not having an eco. But saying that, I feel like it holds the gear for too long. If you're just driving normally, it holds first, second, just so long that it almost stops accelerating, just sort of just holds it, then bangs it into the next gear. I'd just prefer it on eco. Well, I prefer it on an eco and then just drive it manually when it works. Nailed another reverse parallel park. I'm gonna hit the gym and get massive. What's that saying? If you don't look back at your car every time you walk away from it, you bought the wrong car. Well, I've been looking back at mine for like 20 years, so I think I bought the right car. Alright, gym's done. Better get home before it rains. It's clouded over. See if we can actually open this door without it cycling. Oh! There's the first of everything. Warm start. Sometimes it doesn't start that well when it's like warm. So it's actually staying second for once. Yes. Sounds alright. Stayed in first. Stayed in second. That beautiful in the sun. Clouds went away, so I went for a bit more of a drive, but yeah, still pretty clean, except for the tyres are dusty as. Actually, I didn't even tyre shine them last time I cleaned them. Smooth As Detailing did send me a whole kit, so I'm going to do a bigger video on that, but they sent me some tyre milk, which I tried on the other car, and it came out really well, but yeah, I haven't put tyre shine on these for a while. I just use generally, well, what I used to use was just the Kiwi shoe polish, liquid shoe polish, and that came up pretty good. I think I did it on this yeah, they're just a bit dusty, but anyway. What do you reckon about the spoilerless look? I reckon it looks pretty clean. But I need a boot. I need a boot lid without the holes in it, and preferably one that's in heritage green already, but I don't know, it's sort of growing on me, that clean look. But the same with the badges. I'm like, do I put it all back 100% stock other than just lowered? I don't know. Probably need to cut a little bit off the tailpipe or get a tip, or cut off and get a dump. I think just a 3.5 inch dump tip. Look nice. Just looks clean, I think. Without the spoil looks clean. This needs to be fixed up anyway, because I got hit years ago. But if I do that, I wanna yeah, get that sort of plastic welded back on and just get that ultra clean look without the badges, without the spoiler. Just maybe a 3.5 inch dump tip. Should look good. And home we go now. Warm start. Still not quite there. I like it when it really cranks over and just revs up really quick, but anyway, I don't know what's going on there. Maybe some timing issue, or who knows. I actually find it starts best as long as the battery's, you know, charged. It starts best when it's cold. So is there an issue there? Or it always starts, it never fails to start, but just doesn't start quite as well when it's warm. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. What's the issue there? Let me know in the comments below. The trusty old BTR. Comment below, should I swap it? Should I T5 swap it? What do you reckon? Or just get a shift kit. Shift kit's Australia shift kit. Actually, I think if I get a J3 chip from TR Performance, which I think I will, I think they can tune it so it does sharpen up the shifts a little bit. So probably can't manualize it. No, you can't manualize it with that way, but at least sharpen the shifts up if I want. But I do like, you know, manual shifting, so it'd be good to have a fully manualized BTR. I might as well try it. I feel like you know, before I even, if I do want to manual swap it, at least try a shift kit. I might like it, and I might just be happy with that. Manual's working. I mean, my auto's working manually. You know what I mean? And that's why I haven't actually changed it yet, the plug, because it works like 80% of the time, and I just forget about it, and then every now and then it just stops working. So I don't know, I'm just lazy, I guess. Third, second, yeah, see, it works again. It burbles just a little bit on overrun, so leave it in second and just let it go. I hear a bit of a burble, but I can't hear any sort of pops and stuff. I wonder on the J3 chip if you can, I think you can, just tune it just slightly, just so on overrun just has a little bit more of a burble, a little bit of a crack and pop. Not like one of those BMW ones, or Audi, or you know, Golf GTRs where they just like crack, pop, and go nuts for like 10 seconds every time you let off the accelerator. I don't want to hear that, but just a little couple of seconds, just poppity pop. I don't know. That's just the P-plater coming out in me. Right, home now. Just thought I'd show you the smooth as detailing tyre milk they sent out. This stuff works really well. I've done a few shorts on it, but I'll do some longer videos. They've sent me a heap of stuff, so thanks to them. But yeah, get some of this. Definitely works well. Let me know if you like that sort of, I don't know, point of view, kind of drive, vlog style. Nothing in particular, just, you know, cruising the car and doing everyday stuff, but, you know, involving cars. Let me know if you like that kind of vlog, and I'll do some more. Well, let me know what you want to see. Car show stuff. I do want to buy another car at some stage as well. I'll tell you, I've already test driven a VZ SS Ute and a VS, just stock standard VS Ute, one owner. I'm trying to, obviously the VZ's a lot more expensive. Or do I want a sedan? Go a sedan again like I used to have, which I'm sort of leaning towards that way. I've always wanted a Ute, something different, but I don't really need a Ute other than, you know, taking kids go-kart or motorbike somewhere, it helps. But yeah, so I don't know, what do you reckon? A cheaper sort of car that I can spend a bit of money in, or just a cheap car I can flip? I was thinking about doing that, doing like a series, like flipping cars until I buy my dream car. So working all the way up to a Monaro, or, you know, something even better. And just, you know, it could take a while. Some of the cars might flip quickly, some of them might take a while. I sort of thought of doing a vlog like that, or doing like a series like that. I reckon that would be cool. And then in the meantime, you know, earn some money off YouTube, earn some money, hopefully, flipping the cars, and end up buying my some sort of dream car. Let me know if you want to see that. That'd be cool too. You know, obviously it all takes time, but and money to start with, but then, you know, hopefully it'll work. And because I'd love to do this full time one day. So who knows? See you in the next one. Peace.